Well, the Spokane Arena, as we know, being transformed right now into that mass COVID vaccination site. It gets up and running tomorrow, but we know that a lot of you have a lot of questions about how to get an appointment and how it's all going to work. So we've been working all day to get as many answers as we can. Mark Hanrahan, again, live at the arena right now. And Mark, before we start, I just want to ask you some of the main questions that we have been getting constantly in the last several hours as we talk about people wondering if they can make an appointment for someone else. We know people may be caring for older parents or a spouse, wanting to know if they are able to make an appointment for someone else at the arena.
Yeah, Whitney, great question. We took that directly to Chaz about 30 minutes ago. And essentially the answer is you need to make your individual appointment. Like, for example, if you're a married couple, like, can I go on and make an appointment for myself and my wife? The answer is no, they said. You need to go on and make your individual appointment. And I can just tell you candidly, my wife and I got a COVID test a couple of months ago here in the parking lot at the arena, and we had to make our appointments for that individually, and our appointments were like 15 minutes apart for that. So that's the answer to that question.
Another question that we have been receiving multiple times is wondering how this is going to work in order to get your second dose, which we know it's really important to get that dose within that 3-week time frame. How is that going to work?
We also took that question to Chaz during our tour about a half hour ago. The answer essentially is that's on you. You need to stay on top of the timeline, and you need to get online and make that second appointment when you can. And kind of just playing off of that question, we also had been asked the question, Whitney, like, tomorrow, can you only make an appointment for day of? Like, can you only sign up for appointments tomorrow? And the answer is no. They have 3,000 vaccines. They're hoping that lasts them until next Tuesday when they get their next shipment on Monday. And so essentially that block of time will be available to book an appointment for tomorrow starting through next Tuesday. I want to get to another question that we have scripted here. This one comes from North Idaho. Our viewer writes, I live in Hauser Lake, Idaho, and can I get the vaccine in Spokane? Well, unfortunately for our Idaho viewers, the max vaccination site here at the arena is set up just for Washington residents, and everyone who secures an appointment will have to show proof of their eligibility for the vaccine with a screenshot or a printout from Washington's Phase Finder tool, photo ID, and an insurance card if you have one. We are fielding a ton of questions right now. We're trying to answer as many as you can. If you have a question, just text it our way, 509-448-2000, and we'll work to get you an answer.